Hello, dear friends. In the previous class, we had seen about the definition of the chapter determinants, and we had also seen how to evaluate the determinants. Today in this class, let us see the problems related to this particular topic. So here we shall start with the exercise 4.1 of your NCERT book. Okay, let us start with the simple examples related to this particular chapter determinants, exercise 4.1. Okay, let us move on to the first problem. First one, evaluate the determinant 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Okay, how to evaluate it? It is very simple. 2 into, that is, let us have a equal to, determinant of a equal to 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus of minus 5 into 4, that is minus 5 into 4. What we get here? Minus 2, 5 4s are 20, minus into minus plus 20. Ultimately the value will be 18. Okay. Dear friends, in this exercise 4.1, I will solve all the odd problems. You try to solve the even problems. If any doubts, you comment there. We shall discuss in the next videos, or I will personally contact it. Okay, fine. The next problem, second one. In that first one, find the value for determinant of cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, let us have this particular example. Very simple example it is. So what we get here, that is cos into cos, that is cos square theta minus of, here sin into sin. What we get here? Sin square, minus into minus we have plus. What we get here? That is sin square theta. Now what is the value for it? Sin square plus cos square value will be 1. That is your required result. Okay, next problem. We shall move to the next problem. Third one. If a equal to, we have, if a equal to 1 2 4 2, show that determinant of 2a equal to 4 into determinant of a. It is a show that problem. Let us solve this problem. Now here, first of all, what he had asked, first of all we have to find out the LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is 2a, which is equal to 2 into the matrix A, 1 2 4 2. That is what we get here, that is 2 into 2. Each and every element I have to multiply it by 2. What we get here? 2, 4, 8 and 4. Okay. Next thing is, I will find the determinant of this 2a. That is determinant of 2a equal to, now I will find the determinant of this particular matrix. 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 into 4 minus of 8 into 4. So what we get now, that is 2 4s are 8 minus 8 4s are 32. What value get now? That is 20. Yes students, what we get here? Minus 6, 30 minus 6, that is nothing but 24 value. The value will be minus 24. The answer will be minus 24. Okay, fine. This is all about the LHS part. The same answer I should get for what? The RHS part. Okay, RHS. Before solving the RHS, what we have? That is 4 into determinant of A I have to solve here. First of all, I will find out the determinant of A here. Determinant of A means, from the given example, from the given question, I have to find the determinant of that particular A. What we get here? Directly I will solve. 1 into 2, 2, minus of 4 2s are 8. 4 2s 8. So what value we get here? That is nothing but here minus 6. But what actually we require? We require is 4 into determinant of A we require. So what we get? 4 into determinant of A equal to 4 into minus 6. The value will be minus 24. That is your required answer. Okay. Now we shall move to the next problem. Okay, dear friends, before going to the next problem, pause the video to note it down. Okay, we shall move to the next problem. Evaluate the determinant A equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0, 3 minus 5 0. Now we shall move on to this problem. How we have to solve this? Dear friends, we are having lot of ways to evaluate it. Either we can expand by first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, or the third column. But always we have to look onto the very simple method. That is, we have to see where the more zeros are there. Here we can observe that in this particular problem, the number of zeros are more in this second row. Okay, so hence we will expand along R2. Okay, expand along R2, that is row 2 it is. Now how we have to do here? For this particular value, the value is negative. Okay, that is the determinant of A equal to minus 0 into, we have to leave this row and this column. Since we have to multiply it by 0, we need not to write the value. Here this sign will be positive, that is plus minus plus, minus plus minus sign, and plus minus plus. This thing we had already discussed in our previous video. Now here we can observe that for 0 we are having minus symbol. Next, for the second row and the second column we are having the value as again it is 0, that is plus 0, plus symbol 0. Then again we need not to write the value for the determinant, because anything we got here multiplied by 0 value will be 0 itself. Okay, next for here the sign is minus, and here we are having minus 1. Now we will write down the value. What we get here? Now you leave this row and this particular column. What we get here? 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 5. Okay, now this value will be 0, plus 0. Here minus into minus we will have plus 1. Now we can evaluate, that is 3 into minus 5, the value is minus 15, minus of 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Now we shall evaluate it. What we get here? That is minus 15, 1 into value itself, then minus 15, minus into minus plus 3. So therefore what we get now? Minus 15 plus 3, the value is minus 12. That is your required result. Okay, now let us see one more problem related to this particular thing. Dear friends, always make the problem as much possible simple you want. Here simple means you have to make use of this particular trick. Wherever the number of zeros are more, we have to expand along that particular row only. We have to expand along that particular row or along that particular column only. Okay, we shall move on to the one more problem related to this particular example. Okay, that is 0, 0, 1, 2, then minus 1, 0, minus 3, then minus 2, 3 and 0. Okay, let us evaluate it. So what we get now here? So here also we can evaluate, which is equal to. Now here you can ask me a question. Sir, here along row 1 also 1 zeros are there, row 2 also 1 0 is there, row 3 also 1 0, along with column 1, column 2, column 3, everything is 0. Here you expand along whichever row you want. Okay, so better you can expand along the first row itself. What we get? That is 0 into, need not to write the values, because 0 into anything will be 0 only. Next thing is the minus symbol for 1, minus 1 into determinant of. Now leave this row and this particular column. What we get now? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 0, plus 3 into, plus 2 into, plus 2 into, what we get here? Now leave this particular row and column. What we get now? Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, then what is the remaining value now? Minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3. So what we know, what we get? That is minus 1 into 0, the value will be 0 only. Then minus of minus 2 into minus 3, what we get? 6 here. Then plus 2 into, here we can evaluate minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, 2 into 0 will be 0 itself. Now what we get here, that is minus 6, minus into minus plus 6, then here minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3, minus 3 into 6, that is minus 6, ultimately with the value we get is 0. Okay, this is how we are evaluating the values. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to the next problem. These problems are little bit important and may be asked in your annual examination. For example, this particular question, that is, okay, let us move on to the question paper problems now. Question paper problems asked on these particular topics in your annual examination for 1 marks. So what are those? Let us move on with the first one. Okay, this question was asked in March 16, 2016 and as well as June 2018 question paper for 1 marks. Okay, for 1 mark question it is. Okay, let us see. Find the value for x if determinant of x to 18x equal to 6 to 18 6. Okay, this is a question paper problem asked for 1 marks. So what we get, let us evaluate it directly on both the sides. What we get here, x into x, what is the value here? That is x square minus 18 into 2, that is 36, which is equal to, now what we get here on the RHS side, 6 into 6, that is 36 minus 18 2s are 36. Okay, here the value we get 0 here, 36 minus 36 0, and here we got it as x square minus 36. Now we can take this 36 to the RHS. Since what we require is the value for x we require. It is a linear equation, we can find out the value easily. Quadratic equation, we can find out the value easily. Quadratic equation it is. That is x square equal to 36. X square equal to 36. Then x equal to what we get now, that is square root of plus or minus square root of 36. The value will be plus or minus 6. That is your required result. Okay, dear friends, here writing plus or minus sign is very important. Okay, since it is a quadratic equation, we can get the both the values. This is very important. In the examination, if you are writing only plus 6 or minus 6, it is fine, but during sometimes they may deduct your marks also. Okay, let us take one more problem of this particular kind, which is asked in your question paper. Okay, before going to the next problem, let us have a note. Okay, let us have a note. That is very important note it is. If A equal to KB, where A and B are square matrix, where A and B are square matrix of order n, then we can write this determinant as determinant of A equal to k to the power of n into determinant of B. Okay, it is very important, since here A and B are the square matrix of same order n here, then only we can write as determinant of A equal to k raised to n into determinant of B. Okay, where n may take any value, that is 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, fine. Yes, time is done. Okay, friends, this is a very important note which can be asked in your question paper. Either for the CET also, it is a very important note. Please note this note, and it is very important also. Okay, very important for CET, JEE as well as for theory 1 marks question also. Now let us see what kind of problems we can get on this particular note over there. Okay, let us take an example. Find determinant of 2A if A equal to, we have here 2 3 minus 1 2. 2 3 minus 1 2. There are two ways of solving it. One is directly you can multiply it by 2. Everything you can multiply it by 2 and then find out the determinant of it. That is also very simple. Otherwise, you can make use of this particular property here. You can make use of this particular property. How we can find it? Here, we can observe that A is an of matrix of which order it is? 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means order is 2. That means here, determinant of 2A, I can write it as 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 into determinant of A. Okay, by making use of this particular property. Okay, let us come back to the property. If A equal to KB, then where A and B are the square matrix of order n, then we can write determinant of A equal to K raised to n into determinant of B. K raised to n, that means both of the matrix should be of order n here. Here we can observe that this matrix is of order 2. Hence we can write as 2 raised to 2, that is 2 value order is 2 into determinant of A. Now we can easily find out the value for determinant of A. That is, okay, which is equal to 4 into determinant of A. 4 into determinant of A we have. Next thing is, which is equal to 4 into, let us find out the determinant of A. 2 2s are 4 minus of 1 into 3, that is minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 here. What we get? 4 into 7, that is 28. The value will be 28 here. Is it clear? Let us take one more problem on this particular note here. Dear friends, you can also solve this particular example by directly evaluating, that is multiplying directly by 2 and then you can solve it. Okay, let us move on to the another problem. Fine. Find the value for x. Find the value of x if that is determinant of 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 equal to, that is x 3 2x and 5. It is a very simple problem here. Let us evaluate this. What we get? That is, first of all, LHS and RHS, both of it, we will solve it differently, separately, then we shall see. That is 2 into 5, the value is 10, minus 4 3s are 12 equal to x into 5, that is 5x, minus 2 into 3x, that is 6x. That means what we get here? 10 into 12 minus 2, which is equal to 5x minus 6x, that is minus x. That implies the value for x equal to 2. That is your required result. Okay, dear friends, this is all about the exercise 4.1. Okay, in the next class we shall start with the properties of determinant. That is a very important topic which carries 4 marks, one problem in your annual examination. Okay, we shall continue in the next section. Thank you.